Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a good minute before or since I last uploaded a video, and I'm sorry for that. I really have no excuses. I've just been lazy and busy with stuff. Yeah, but I'm excited to start a new video, so hopefully you're still watching or you're still interested. And if you haven't seen the title, I'm doing BoxyCharm's June unboxing, and this is the Boxyluxe box, and it's the bigger, so it's like the bigger version of the regular BoxyCharm, and this one retails for like $50, I believe, but you get way more products and a bigger like selection of stuff, more than just makeup, I guess. Yeah, but I can't wait for you to see. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So as you can tell, the box is pretty big, bigger than the regular BoxyCharm. The regular one maybe is half the size or 3/4, but yeah, it's pretty big. So that's what it looks like inside. And here's the postcard, and this month's theme is Getaway, BoxyCharm Getaway. And it has all the stuff in the back. Alright, so first off, I'm pulling out this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And I am going to try and use these products as I go, which is why I don't have any makeup on. I have moisturizer on, and that's it. And chapstick. But I'm going to try and use them as I go. So this is a full volume dry volume blast by Living Proof. And this one says make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and it retails for $29. That's really good. I never buy, I don't think I've ever bought this brand before. Might have another hairspray by them maybe, that I also got sent through BoxyCharm or subscription box I've had. But I don't know. Let's see. I haven't done nothing to my hair, so I'm just gonna it smells really good. I don't know what to do. I'm not good at styling my hair. Oh, I see some volume, I think. Or maybe just look this over. Okay. I don't know, but it smells really good. Alright, next up is this PYT blow dryer. Let's see, let me take it out the bag. It's pretty cool. It's a small little, like, on-the-go blow dryer. I don't know what color I got yet. I just saw it. Ooh, it's pink. So it has a little traveling bag, papers, and that's what it looks like. It's so cute. Never owned a blow dryer this little, and it has the 2 attachments, the diffuser and the little other one. It's cool. So I'm not gonna use it because my hair is dry already, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And it has 2 settings. It has a lower and a higher setting, and then it has a little button to see 230 volts or 120 volts, which I don't know what the difference will be or what, but it's set at 120, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And this one says PYT Mini Turbo on the Go Dryer. Yeah, it's on the go. Your new PYT Mini Turbo on the Go Dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're vamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away, and it retails for $85. That's crazy. That's cool, and it does feel really nice and like smooth. I don't know. That's awesome though, for $85 for this little one. So up next, I'm not going to use this one because I already have my face. This is the Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic So this one says, it's by Dr. Brandt. Oh, the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll, powered by a biotic balancing complex. This prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. And that retails for $35. That's cool. Alright, so up next is the No Problem Prime Essence. And this one is by Touch and Soul. This says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Oh, skin silky smooth. And that retails for $23. So I decided I'm going to show all the products and then use them at the end. But yeah, this is what the No Problem primer is. Looks like that. It has that cool tip. But we'll use it at the end. Ooh, it's very liquidy for sure. Up next is this Skin&Co Trophotherapy Radiant Dew Mist. Trophotherapy Radiant Dew Mist. Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's Water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while balancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And it retails for $35. That's really cool. So it's another kind of like dewy setting mist. Setting spray. I don't know. It's cool though. I want to use it. And then up next is this Tristique mascara. Let's see where it's at. Oh. Tristique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Tristique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind, and it retails for $25. And I was looking at some videos, so this one actually comes with a built-in curler. See? So it has a little right there, and then the mascara in there. It's pretty cool, but it's supposed to be a good mascara too, so I'll see about that. Up next is this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss in shade Strawberry Lemonade, and this one says add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick, and it retails for $17. And I actually watched Dominique on YouTube, and I did hear that she had her own cosmetics lines and everything. I saw them, but I haven't had a chance to test any of her products yet, so I'm excited. And it smells really good too. It smells almost like chocolate, I think, but it's can't wait to try it on. Next up is this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, and it's a night serum. It said this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that surfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA/BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Ooh. That's nice. And it retails for $58. That's awesome because I don't have too many serums. So, and this one seems to be good. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to use it right now. Oh, and it has a pump. That's cool. But I can't wait to try it out tonight. Last but not least is this Tartist Pro Glow 3 palette. It's a Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 or Volume 3. Meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tartist Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3 formulated with Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look, and it retails for $45. And I kind of have one already. Well, not this one, but a different highlighter and bronzer set. That's what this one looks like. Has the mirrors on the side, and then that's the palette right there with the 2 blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. That's pretty though. Those pinks are kind of light, but I think it'll work. You can layer it up with other colors and stuff. It's pretty. Right, so this month's box is valued at $352. That's over $300 worth of free stuff that you get because you paid about $50 for the box, and like one item paid for itself basically. Like just the blow dryer was $85. The night serum was like $58. It's crazy. I just can't understand how they do this, and it's awesome. It's such a great deal. And I'm gonna leave the link down below, so if you're interested, you can register for that or subscribe to that. But I'm not sure if you have to go. I think you have to be a regular charmer first, a regular monthly subscriber, and then upgrade to the Boxyluxe. But yeah, that's how it works pretty much. But I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. Alright, so that's all the products I got. Now I'm gonna jump into try the products themselves. So let me start. Like, I'm not gonna use everything because some of it is cleansers and night serum, so but what I can I will use. So I'm gonna start with the Touch and Soul serum because I already have moisturizer on, and there's no moisturizer except for the night serum. So let's see. Yeah, that's very liquidy. Not sure what to think of it. As long as it blurs my pores, that's the main thing I look for, because my pores are humongous. So I'm gonna just do a basic look, no eyeshadow. Alright, I'm back. So I did my eyebrows, foundation, concealer, and powder off of camera, and I look like a ghost kind of. Yeah, but let's move on. So like I said, I'm not gonna do eyeshadow, but so I'm gonna move on to just mascara. Let's see. So I'm be using the Trustique mascara, and yeah, this is its first of its kind because I've never seen a mascara with a curler integrated into it. Which is pretty cool, but it seems a little small. Like the curler seems kind of small. So let's see. Hopefully I don't poke my eye or something. Alright, so it does curl them, but it kind of sucks because it's kind of small. So you gotta do like by parts, curl it by parts. So it took me like 3 times to curl the whole lid. And then it just kind of, if you let it go by accident, you have to go away. Like you have to go back up and grab the little handle and then start over. Now let me try the mascara. So there's one eye with mascara and there's the other without. I think you can definitely tell. You can definitely see a difference. This eye looks darker than the other one. So there's both eyes. My deal breaker though will be if it's waterproof enough. It doesn't say it's waterproof or nothing about lasting all day. But with me, mascaras tend to smudge under my eyes by the end of the day. So we'll see. We'll have to test this out all day and see if it works that good. Alright, so next up I'm going to use the Tarte's Pro Glow. So I know it's a bronzer, but I'm going to use it like a contour brush and blush shade. I'm going to use this one. I'm gonna try and use the sparkly shade as a bronzer. This one. Kind of scared though because it does seem really shimmery. It actually looks nice. I don't know if it looks like too much. Alright, so next up is blush. And I am gonna use those, I don't know which one. I'm gonna just mix them up. Not bad. It's a nice simple color. And then highlighter. I'm gonna go with this pinker one. Let's see. So that's that. It's nice. It's nice. Alright, so like I was saying, I've used this one before, or not this one, but a different volume, and I like it, and I think I'm gonna like this one just as good. Next up, I'm gonna use Christine Dominique's lip gloss. I don't have anything on top except chapstick, so I'm just gonna put this on top. Yeah, it's really sheer, but like you can put it on top of other colors and just add like a slight, like a little hint of pink. But it smells really good, and it looks nice on its own too. Just like a little tint of pink for your lips. It's nice but glossy, really nice. Not sticky. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky, so I like that. Alright, so last but not least of the products that I can use is this the Dewy Mist setting spray. So it has a funny smell to it, to be honest. Kind of has a tingling sensation too, like minty. Oof. Has like a minty feeling to it, but it looks nice. I mean, I don't know, you tell me. It looks good though. So yeah, I think that's all the products that I can really use. I already tried a little bit of the spray. Let me try some more, see what it does. Alright, so that's all the products I got. That's it for this. And like I said, I definitely recommend it, and I'll leave the link down below if you want to subscribe to it. But it's freaking awesome. It's a really good subscription box. I definitely recommend it if you're into makeup and beauty stuff. Definitely a must try. But yeah, alright, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.